Hey everyone, welcome to English Express, the podcast where we help you improve your English through real conversations. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. I'm learning English, and on this podcast, I get to practice speaking and learn new tips to improve.
Today's topic is something I get asked all the time: how can I speak English fluently? Well, today, we're going to talk about habits you can start today to improve your English speaking. So Jack, let me ask you, how often do you practice English?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I have an English class every Tuesday and Friday.
That's good, but let me tell you a secret: the best habit is to speak a little English every day, even just 5 minutes.
Every day? Even if it's just a short time?
Exactly. It builds your confidence and makes speaking feel natural. Try talking to yourself in English. For example, when you wake up, say out loud, "I'm getting out of bed. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm going to the kitchen."
Like giving a play-by-play of my life?
Yes. It sounds funny, but it works. You're using verbs, practicing vocabulary, and forming sentences.
Okay, so today I'll say, I'm opening the door. I'm walking to the store. I'm buying milk.
Perfect. That's a powerful habit.
I listen to English songs sometimes. Does that help?
It does. But to really improve your speaking, you need to listen and repeat. That's called shadowing.
Shadowing? I've heard of it but never tried it.
It means you repeat what you hear right after the speaker. You become their shadow.
Ah, I see. So if I hear, I'm going to the store, I repeat, I'm going to the store.
Exactly. Try it with YouTube videos, movie lines, or this podcast. It helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence structure.
I think I'll try this with my favorite TV show. But what if I don't understand every word?
That's okay. Start with short clips or subtitles. Focus on the intonation and flow.
So it's not just what I say, but how I say it.
Exactly. English has a musical rhythm. When you shadow, you start to hear it.
Another problem I have is forgetting new words. I learn them, but then I forget.
Then it's time for a new habit: keeping a word journal.
Like a notebook?
Yes. Every day, write down 3 to 5 new words. But don't just write the word, also write an example sentence.
Okay. So if I learn the word confident, I can write, I feel confident when I speak English.
Perfect. Writing sentences helps your brain remember words in context.
Can I also draw a picture?
Yes. Visual memory is powerful. You can even make it fun, like a diary of your English journey.
Sometimes I want to practice, but I don't have anyone to talk to.
You're not alone. But here's the good news: you can use technology to practice.
Like what?
There are apps that connect you with real people around the world to practice English. Or use AI tools to talk in English, like this podcast script.
Oh, I never thought of that.
Even recording your own voice on your phone is helpful. Listen and see what you can improve.
That's a great idea. I can compare myself today and after 1 month.
Exactly, progress, not perfection.
I love that. I'm going to pick these habits to start today.
Great idea. And to all our listeners, pick one new habit and stick with it this week. Let us know how it goes.
Thanks for joining us. Keep listening, keep speaking, and don't give up.
You've got this. See you in the next episode of English Express.